You have been here before. Probably not once, probably not twice, probably more times than you'd ever like to admit out loud. You've tried the diets, downloaded the apps, had a fresh start every Monday since 2022, but never made it to Friday. Some of it worked for a little while. I mean, it generally always works for a little while, but every time it fell apart. And when it did that, it took something with it. Not the weight, but it took your belief. That quiet little voice nagging in your head that used to tell you that you could do it, and now all of a sudden, you've stopped believing that voice. I'm gonna tell you the truth. You don't have a fitness problem. You might think you do, you don't. You know exactly what to do. You've always known what to do. Everybody knows what to do. Even 95-year-old Barbara down the road knows what to do to lose body fat and get in shape. You've got a belief problem, and you've got a trust issue. You don't believe you can do it, and you don't trust yourself to see something through. This isn't about the number on the scale. People are obsessed with the number on the scale, thinking if you get to a certain metric, you'll be happy. I can tell you from personal experience that is absolute bollocks. The number on the scale is just a byproduct and an afterthought of getting your shit together. This is about becoming someone who keeps their word, who trusts themselves, who shows up when there's no one there to see it, who doesn't need to start every week because they never quit in the first place. That is what this is all about. Build that person, everything changes. The confidence, the self-respect, and the body will follow that too. You will get the body that you want by doing those things. And that is what I do. I'm not a generic weight loss or fat loss coach. Ask my clients, they'll tell you what I do day to day. That's not what I do. I'm not here to hand you any old plan. I'm here to help you become the person you are truly proud of. If you're tired of starting over every single week, I'll tell you the truth and I'll help you become that person. And if that's what you want, great. If that isn't what you want, cool. Go follow someone else. This is what Zenith Fit is, and this is what I'm about.